The photography and videography communities are currently buzzing with an unprecedented level of anticipation surrounding the rumored and repeatedly leaked Sony A7V full-frame mirrorless camera. Despite Sony's typically tight operational security, an unusual volume of detailed information, or insider whispers as some have termed them, has found its way to the public domain, making the approaching official announcement one of the most exciting of the year. This isn't just another incremental update. The alleged specifications point to a genuine attempt by Sony to dramatically recalibrate the competitive landscape for high-resolution hybrid shooters and professional content creators. The strategic positioning of the A7V, especially in relation to existing lines like the Cinema line and the flagship Alpha 1 series, suggests a pivotal moment in the evolution of the E-mount system. Adding weight to the torrent of leaks is Sony's official social media announcement, confirming a major product reveal is imminent. Unlike their traditionally cryptic and drawn-out marketing campaigns, the recent teaser campaign has been noticeably different, prompting some initial speculation that the launch might be for a lens or an accessory, rather than a flagship body. However, as confirmed by a prematurely published image, the date has been locked in, December 2nd. This swift, decisive action suggests Sony is ready to dominate the holiday shopping season and establish the Sony A7V as the definitive best hybrid mirrorless camera before the year closes out. This timeline is crucial for securing lucrative pre-orders among serious photographers and professional videographers eager to integrate the new technology into their workflow. The alleged core specifications of the Sony A7V paint a picture of a camera designed to be a direct, aggressive competitor to mid-range and even some high-end mirrorless rivals. The camera is seemingly built around a fundamentally faster image sensor technology compared to its predecessor, addressing the need for quicker readout speeds for both silent shooting and high-quality video capture. Resolution and sensor technology. The sensor is rumored to feature a 33-megapixel resolution, a sweet spot that offers a significant bump from the previous generation while maintaining excellent low-light performance and manageable file sizes. Crucially, the sensor is expected to deliver blistering speeds, capable of sustaining an astonishing 30 frames per second burst shooting with a 14-bit raw depth. This level of continuous, high-fidelity capture places the A7V far beyond many competitors in its class, rivaling the capabilities of dedicated sports or wildlife cameras. Pre-capture functionality. A major workflow enhancement is the inclusion of a pre-capture mode. This feature allows the camera to buffer images before the shutter button is fully pressed, guaranteeing the capture of fleeting moments, a game-changer for action photography, sports, and wildlife shooting. This technology, previously seen on other professional bodies, makes its debut here, solidifying the A7V standing as a serious professional photography tool. High-resolution 4K capabilities. The A7V is rumored to offer 4K 60p video recording with no crop. This full-frame 4K 60 frames per second capability is a highly sought-after feature for cinematic video production and B-roll capture, utilizing the entire sensor width for maximum image quality and shallow depth of field. High frame rate and crop factor. For demanding slow-motion sequences, the camera is expected to offer 4K 120p, though this is widely anticipated to involve a minor crop factor. While the exact percentage of the crop remains unconfirmed, industry analysts expect it to be minimal, ensuring the footage remains usable for professional applications like documentary filmmaking and high-speed videography. The open gate dilemma. A confirmed point of contention for some video professionals is the persistent rumor that the A7V will not feature open gate recording. This means it won't capture the full 3:2 or 4:3 sensor area, a format preferred by many high-end filmmakers for reframing flexibility in post-production. This exclusion is likely a strategic decision by Sony to maintain a clear feature separation between the A7V and the high-tier cinema line cameras like the FX6 or FX9, protecting the pricing structure of their dedicated digital cinema cameras. Beyond raw specifica. Tie-ins. The Sony A7V appears to integrate significant quality of life and performance upgrades. Next-generation image stabilization. The camera is expected to feature a new iteration of in-body image stabilization, potentially offering up to 8 stops of compensation. This incredible stabilization performance is vital for handheld shooting, allowing photographers to capture sharp images at extremely slow shutter speeds and enabling videographers to produce smooth, professional-looking footage without the need for a gimbal in many situations. The increased stock count makes the A7V a premier choice for low-light photography and run-and-gun filmmaking. AI-driven autofocus. One of the most significant upgrades is the incorporation of a new AI processing chip, similar to the one found in the top-of-the-line Alpha 1 II. This dedicated AI chip revolutionizes the autofocus system, enabling faster, more accurate, and smarter subject recognition and tracking. This means enhanced performance for real-time tracking AF for humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and insects, further cementing Sony's dominance in the autofocus technology segment. This advanced AI autofocus will be a key competitive advantage over Canon, Nikon, and Panasonic rivals. High-resolution electronic viewfinder. Addressing a long-standing criticism of the Alpha series, the A7V is rumored to feature a significantly better electronic viewfinder. A high-resolution, high-refresh rate EVF is essential for professional photography, providing a clear, lag-free, and accurate preview of the final image, particularly in bright sunlight where the rear screen may be difficult to see. The anticipated price point for the Sony Alpha A7V is expected to hover around the $3,000 mark. This aggressive pricing strategy positions the camera squarely as the definitive mid to high-end full-frame hybrid, offering near-flagship performance at a significant discount compared to the Alpha 1 or even the professional video bodies. The price reflects the camera's high-end sensor, advanced AI features, and exceptional IBIS system, offering a compelling price-to-performance ratio for those seeking a versatile mirrorless camera. The discussion around the Sony A7V inevitably leads to its relationship with the company's dedicated cinema line. As many professional and semi-professional content creators move towards a dual-camera setup, the A7V seems perfectly engineered to lean heavily into the still photography realm while retaining superb video capability. The most notable point of friction is the FX3 II. Why did Sony launch a dedicated video camera without the newer, faster 33MP sensor rumored for the A7V? Cost control. Integrating the cutting-edge, faster sensor technology into the FX3 II might have pushed its cost too high, potentially cannibalizing sales of the premium FX6 or Alpha 1. The FX3 II was intended to serve as a mid-range video upgrade for users of the entry-level FX30, maintaining a more accessible price point. Product differentiation. The decision reinforces a clear product strategy. The A7V is the best hybrid stills camera with strong video, while the FX3 II is the dedicated video camera offering superior cooling, cinema-centric features, and a video-optimized body, even if the sensor resolution is lower. The A7V is meant to appeal to the dual-use creator, while the FX3 II targets the video-first professional. This calculated approach acknowledges that the modern professional creative often utilizes a multi-camera strategy, recognizing that there is no longer one perfect camera for all jobs. The A7V is being introduced as the ideal B camera for the FX series or the primary stills camera for wedding photographers, commercial shooters, and advanced enthusiasts.